Have you noticed the viral surge of AI cover songs on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? You might have come across SpongeBob belting out some hip-hop hits or even Tupac's voice covering recent chart toppers. Before you start thinking it's a tad creepy to hear Tupac's voice in such a way, let me reassure you that it's all thanks to incredible AI technology that can replicate an artist's voice and render it as vocals for songs. Transforming songs with AI voice cloning is easier than ever. I'll demonstrate using free web tools to generate an AI song, isolate the vocal track, and convert it into any celebrity voice. In this video, we're diving into the very AI technology that makes all this possible. Stick around until the end, and let me guide you through the process of creating AI cover songs. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech and innovation. Now, let's jump right into it. Begin the creative process by accessing the AI Song Generator tool conveniently located in the video description. Craft your unique AI song by entering your prompt and initiating the generation process. If the initial lyrics do not meet your expectations, feel free to modify them to your liking or opt for a fresh attempt by clicking the Try Again button. Once content with the lyrics, proceed to choose a voice actor and click on the render option to commence the creation of your AI song, complete with accompanying music. Finalize the process by initiating the download of your AI-generated song in either video or audio format. Moving on to step 2, employ the AI vocal remover to separate the musical composition from the vocals. Access the tool via the link provided in the video description, then upload your AI song by selecting the Browse My File option. After patiently awaiting the completion of the separation process, proceed to download the distinct vocal and music files to your computer. For step 3, delve into the realm of the AI voice changer to transform your voice into that of a celebrity or a customized voice artist. Initiate the process by signing in with your Google account and navigating to the royalty-free music page. Upload your AI vocal by clicking the Add or Drop Audio File button and choose your preferred AI voice actor from the provided list. Fine-tune your preferences through the advanced menu options before clicking the Convert button to generate your new AI vocal. Upon completion, download your freshly crafted AI voice, adding a touch of uniqueness to your creative endeavors. Before I move to the next step, if you're enjoying it so far, please like this video to show us support and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on what's going on in the latest technology and the finance world. Moving forward, let's merge our newly generated AI vocal with our AI music using Audacity. Download and install Audacity from the link provided in the video description. Import your AI music and the chosen AI vocal into Audacity. Access the File menu, opt for Export, and select Export as MP3 to preserve the outcome in MP3 format. But using AI for making cover songs can have both advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a look at the advantages first. Advantages: increased efficiency and speed. AI in music production allows for the rapid creation of high-quality cover songs, enabling artists to generate multiple versions of a song in a matter of hours rather than weeks or months. Mimicking popular artists' style. AI-generated cover music can replicate the style and sound of popular artists, providing independent artists and small labels with the ability to create music that sounds like it was produced by a major label or famous artist, without the associated costs. Cost-effective for independent artists. It offers a cost-effective solution for independent artists and small labels, providing access to high-quality cover songs without the need for extensive resources. Exploration of new sounds and styles. AI-generated music can open up new creative possibilities, allowing artists to explore new sounds, styles, and approaches that may not have been feasible through traditional means. Disadvantages: lack of originality and creativity. AI-generated music may lack originality and creativity, as it is often created using algorithms programmed to mimic existing music, potentially leading to a lack of a unique human touch and emotional depth. Devaluation of artistic expression. The use of AI-generated cover music may devalue the original artistic expression of the original artist, as it can create covers with little input or creativity required from the cover music producer, potentially diminishing the value of the cover. Potential for misrepresentation. There is a concern that AI-generated cover music could misrepresent the original artist or their work by creating covers that are vastly different from the original, potentially confusing or misleading listeners. Lack of emotional depth. AI-generated music may exhibit a robotic tone and lack emotional depth, potentially contributing to a decline in creativity within the music industry. In conclusion, while AI for cover songs offers increased efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to mimic popular artists' styles, it also raises concerns regarding originality, artistic expression, potential misrepresentation, and emotional depth. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is essential to consider these advantages and disadvantages in the context of music production and artistic expression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And just before you leave, here are some AI videos that you might love watching.